Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will see how you can integrate DocuSign with Kroolo and set up automations in Docs. First of all, click on your profile, then go to Settings. On the left, select Integrations. You can type DocuSign in the search bar, or you can scroll down to find the DocuSign card. You'll see a Connect button here. Simply click on that, and you'll be asked to authorize the connection. Once authorized, you will be connected. As you can see here, it's already connected. Now we can use this in our automations in Docs. So let's head back to Home. Go to the Docs section, and here we have an NDA agreement. Let's open this document. Now let's say we want to send this document for signature once it's approved. We can set up an automation for that. To do this, go to the Automations and go to the Browse section. On the left, you'll find DocuSign at the bottom. Here we have all the automation templates for DocuSign we can use. We can receive emails, or we can receive messages in Slack, Google Space, etc. We are going to pick this template. When doc status changes, then document send for sign. Let's select this. Here is our first condition. Doc status changes. Click on that, and from here, we can select the status. First, we need to select the From Status. Simply click on this and select the status. Now we are going to select To Status, and we will pick Approved. So the first condition is set. When doc status changes from draft to approved, we want to send this document for signature. Let's close this, then click on this document, Send for Sign. Here, we need to fill the name and then enter the email address of the recipient. We have added the details. Let's close this, then give your workflow a name. Simply click here and type your name, then hit Save. Our automation is successfully created. Currently, it's inactive, so let's activate this. Now it's active. We can close this. Now let's change the status of the document. Simply click here and we're going to select Approved. Let's see if the automation was triggered. Simply click on Automations, go to the Run section, and as we can see, the document was sent to the recipient for signature. We can see the completed status here. Now let's check the email. Here we have received a document. Let's open this email, and here's our document. We can review this and sign the document. Let's open this document, agree to the terms, and hit Continue. Here we have the document that we sent for signature. You can simply scroll down and sign it from here. Let's head back to Kroolo dashboard. Now we can close this. That's how you can easily integrate DocuSign and set up automations in Docs.